All right, we're back again for day 2 of Castlevania crossover. We are joined again by the cricket outside. So I am using the headphones. It's super late for me right now. It's 11:15, so I'm pretty much just gonna get right into it. I am keeping like a devlog on the Discord channel. So I don't know, you can go there to get, I'll basically, the stuff I do on the stream, I'm just going to write a little text thing about it. And yeah, so I did solve a problem from yesterday. The issue I was having, was I couldn't figure out how to import the tiles into levels. These like little rectangle things are levels. And I figured out one way to do it. It's not like the best way, but when you're making a game and when you don't have time, you try to figure out like the fastest and easiest way to do things. So I came up with a way to do it. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to open Pixel Edit. What project did I... Okay, I'm gonna just make a new... I'm just gonna start from scratch. It's super quick to do. Because now I know I need the entire map, because I learned... make sure I'm centered. I learned yesterday that each level doesn't have its own tile set. I mean, you could make it have its own tile set in the game, but as far as like LDTK, this doesn't let you have different tile sets per level. So I will just be using like a single tile set for the whole game. So I'm gonna import the entire thing. Okay. All right, import tiles, merge duplicates, new document. All right, looks good. Let's make sure that it did it correctly. Which one's the tile? Tile placer, show indices. These indices here are the tile indexes, so that means it worked. Okay. So I already did this yesterday, but I'm just doing it again. 32 width. These are all the tiles for the entire game. I'm gonna save this project. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to have a project. I'll just call it Castlevania map. I'll just put in tile sets for now, even though that doesn't make sense. Oh yeah, then I want to export the tile set. Castlevania, we're gonna overwrite that just to make sure we're all consistent. And then I'm gonna open it one more time. Wait, I thought I overwrote it. What? Wait, where is it? What? I thought I saved it right there. It said save, overwrite. Okay, now it's working. Open. And then we want to make it a power of 2. Okay. So I already did this yesterday. I'm just doing it again so that it's consistent with the Pixel Edit project, because I'm going to be working within this project. Okay, so the idea that I had, it's a little bit tedious, but basically, I'm gonna save again, just be safe. Basically, I'm gonna crop the tile map to each level, like each room. I would just call them rooms, but LDTK calls them levels for some reason. So how do I do that? Document, resize canvas. Okay, now this is gonna be the tricky part. Okay, so I have to. How do I? So I just have to divide this number by 16, I mean. Can I? Nope. I can't even really like 404. Let's see. $25.25. Oh, actually, I remembered something else I have to change. I have to make these levels the actual size, because I realized if I have extra tiles above and below, then they're gonna like, I would have to teleport the player, and I don't want to mess with that. How many tiles tall? 160 divided. Oh. Wait, why is it? Well, I don't know what I just did. Actually, I have to measure this room because that's a weird one. I think it's 11. Is it 11 or 12? So that's 11. Yeah, I think they're all 11. And then it was 256, 16 wide. Man, that's crazy. So 256 wide by 11 times 176. I have to change this. Stop using this. I'm going to use the entire game tile set. Just call it Castlevania. Wait, what happened? 16. Let me make sure it's working. I think that looks right. Okay. I'll check something. Oh. I'm just double checking the size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's really 11. It's so small. Alright, I was just double checking. Alright. So we have LDTK set up. The first room is first room is 7. It's probably 768. 48. I'm pretty sure 6, or that's 16 times 3, right? Yeah. Okay, so the first room is 3 screens wide. So we do 1, 2, 3. Save. Okay, so now I need to crop this. There's probably not a tool. I think I just have to manually. No, that's not good. What is this? Re-identify. Whoa. I didn't know I could do that. I still think it's easier just to crop if I can find a good way to measure. Okay, let's try to measure it. 3. Is that 84? 384. Oh, 24. Okay. "24 tiles high." What happened? I think that looks correct. Yeah, because this one is only 10 tall. Okay, and then... yeah, and then... okay, so now I need to do this corner. Which is going to be... 48 by 11, right? This time... what am I using as the pivot? I always get so confused. I think I'm doing the top left. 11, 48. Let's see. We did it. Okay. Now I'll export tile map. How do I want to name these? I'm just gonna make a new folder. I'm gonna call this 0, 0. So it's level 0 and it's the first room in level 0. Am I targeting? So am I supporting arbitrary resolution? Yeah, the game, I can render the game to a texture and then we can scale the texture to whatever. So it should still look good at pretty much any resolution. Save. Okay, so now we have, so this tells us the tiles at every location. So basically we need to take this information and somehow put it into LDTK. Name. Let's see. First, first I'm going to duplicate this because I'm going to try to just basically delete the data so that I can see the structure of the JSON. Okay. Now just to save time, can you write a Rust program to load a JSON file in this format? Can you do it? Let's see. Oh, it looks like it looks like it did it. Cool. Okay. Does this even compile? I shouldn't have. Let's just start with this. Oops. What was the other one called? I'm gonna keep this commented because I might use it. Whoops. Oh my God. me see. Let's see, it's gonna be dot dot slash assets slash exported apps slash zero. Let's see if it can print it. Did I not type the path right? Wait, where the hell did I put this project? I put it in the wrong place. Wait, no, I didn't. Yeah, I did. It's in the wrong place. I don't know why I keep doing that. Let's close the project. Put it in the correct folder. Open. Try again. It worked. Wow. The AI actually did something useful. Okay, so now we have the data that we exported from Pixel Edit, we now have imported into our Rust program. So now we need to figure out how to get that data into LDTK. It's already 11:45. Let me check this. There's 3. These are all really old. This is just a file. Okay. It includes a JSON schema that can auto-generate Rust code. My wife is sleeping. How does this work? Clone the project. Check the source subdirectory. Copy the version of the schema file. What? One point 1.3. Do they have a separate version for the schemas? I'm glad you like her. Thanks for telling me. She's gonna be happy. Because I really enjoyed playing games with her. Oh, this is 1.5.3. So we need to... Well, I'm going to have to follow these instructions. Cloning the project. Basically going to follow these steps down here. I thought the Metroid stream was very funny too. Glad you enjoyed it. What the? Cool. No, it thanks for telling me. Because I thought it's funny, but I can't tell what other people think about it. Okay, check this. I already checked the source. Copy the version of the schema file. Well, which schema do I want? Do I just want the most recent one? I would think that I want the most recent one here. Paste it into the QuickType web tool. Wow. I didn't know this. Wait, what is this? Whoa, I can generate... Oh, so I don't even need to use ChatGPT. Well, I could just generate Rust bindings like that? Wow, I didn't even know that was possible. So I guess it's telling me to copy this entire file. Yep. why can't I select things? Wow, so it gives me the rest types automatically. Damn, look at how much. Man, LDTK is super complicated. Complex, I guess I should say. Set the name to. Oh, did I? Project. So the source type. I think I already. Oh, JSON schema. I have to repaste it. All right, choose rest set field visibility public. Okay. I have to paste it again. Oh. Copy. Paste. Oh, I'm zoning out. What did it tell me to do? Save the resulting file to the source. I guess I should open it. What was it called? Oh, save it here. How do I save it? Just copy it. I don't see a download button, so I'm just gonna copy. What? Why did that happen? Is there no duplicate? I have to copy that. Was that 5.3? Sure, I don't care. All right, copy. What version was it? .5.3. Yeah, that's what I did. What's next? Change the Saturday import line. Okay. Wonder why. Change the mod and pub use lines. Oh. Yeah. Will it work? Wait, how come it doesn't say project? It's showing red. Test. Why is it? It's a dev dependency. Come on. Oh, why? Why? Why does it say coordinate and the other one says project? Wait, how? Oh, you piece of shit. Okay, now let's try this again. Let's go to the top. Go to the top. Saturday. Bam. Let's see. Yes. Come on. Yeah. All right. All right. So that's compiling. So that's super cool. So I'm going to use my local. How the fuck do I do that again? Can't type. The path. Wait, why isn't that working? What? Wait, why does it say package? I wrote path. Is that right? Yeah. Okay, that is right. Does this work? It compiles. Okay. Let me check the examples. Well, first let's try loading the map. Let's rename that pixel. There's a mosquito in here. LDTK path. Oh, it's midnight. Assets. I forgot. Oh, this is assets / Castlevania. Oops. Castlevania DTK. Oh. It's just fuck. I need to not print that whole thing. Let's see. What? I am really bad at... Oh. I didn't mean to do that. Wow, it works. Holy shit. Man, we're moving pretty fast on this. And me working with like no brain capacity. I'm actually a little bit excited about how easy that was. But I'm getting super tired and it's midnight. Let's see, what do we have on here? How do I get a level by name? I could just do... Well, actually, I know it's the first level. Let me look at the examples. Basic. Well, that's all the examples they have. To load all your data. If you want to load one level at a time, will this let me mutate? I hope it lets me mutate it though, because the examples don't really show that. I'm not sure. Let's check. What did ChatGPT tell me before? Find the target. Layer.grid tiles. Does this part work? What is it called? Yeah, level 0. Background. Let's see. Oh, that works. Layer.grid tiles. Let's see. I don't know what these I don't know what these letters mean. Which one is the index? The fuck is ADFT? Oh, does this? Maybe it. Can I debug it? Let's see. Does that work? Of course, it doesn't implement debug. A. No, that's a F64. Let's do T. Sure. Okay, I printed a bunch of stuff. 68 and 430. Is that the... Is that the tile index? What tiles did I use? Or, yeah, it is. 68. Yeah, 68 is that. Holy shit. I can't believe how fast things are going. Man, why can't I just do this full time? I'd have to work at my job. I can't believe how much progress I'm making. But now the question is, can I will it let me like modify the oh, yeah, it says to just yeah, it probably would work. So I wonder if the indexes on the pixel edit match. Wait, 702. Let's see. What's 702? I don't like that being put that on the top. 702. Yeah. They're the same. They're the same. All right. Let's print all the fields to try to understand what they are. Oh, they're written here. Why was there no... Man, I'm like blind. Okay, A is alpha. Don't need that. Pixel coordinates. So I'm... Why does it save? Okay, well, I probably need... I think I just need these three. So let's do PX, source, and T. Oh. I can't. Let's see. Okay, so it's done by pixel coordinates. I am very tired, but otherwise I'm doing well. The source. Do I really need to update the source? That part seems a little strange to me. Wonder what would happen if I didn't update that. I'm going to compare that to this. So yeah, I have X. These look like indexes. So I think I have to multiply these by 16. Wait, what's the difference between tile and index? I don't think there's any documentation on this. Let's see if I can... Let's look for 702. Oh, 702 is right here. Okay, so this is this row. Index is increasing by 1. What does that mean? Not really sure, but I think we can do it. I think with this data, we can do it. I'm wondering, does the index just keep increasing? Index, oh, I think index is the index in the array. I think it's just the index in this tiles array. It's actually kind of a waste to put that in. But yeah, I think we have all the info we need from here. Let me write documentation on these comments. X I'll just say this. Just for myself later. The tile ID matches LDTK T field in the array not needed. All right. So can I, what is grid tiles? Is that, it's a vec. So can I just like layer, can I just put a new one? Split. What is this one? 702. Just leave everything. Let's just see if that runs. Oh yeah, it works. Let me make sure this last part in ChatGPT works. Let's comment that. Let's see. It says it serializes it. So I'm pretty sure I have just proven that this will work. And it's a lot easier than I expected. So it's unfortunately like too late for me. I should be in bed already. But tomorrow I think we can actually get start actually importing the levels into LDTK. It's only took us like a few hours to do it. That's really cool. A few hours of work, it will have all the levels. Very cool. Save everything. All right. Thanks for joining the stream. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.